One of the most difficult decisions we can make for ourselves or for a loved one is whether to move into an assisted living or nursing home facility. If my relative needs a long-term care facility, how do I choose the right one? The Northern Virginia Long-Term Care Ombudsman Program helps consumers by offering information on Northern Virginia facilities and what to consider in making a choice.
The Ombudsman Program is a federally mandated program through the Older Americans Act, and it's in every state. We act as advocates for residents that live in long-term care facilities, and that's nursing and assisted living facilities. And we advocate for the highest quality of life and care for the residents. We are in the facilities a lot. We have currently 72 volunteer ombudsmen, and they go into the facilities weekly that they're assigned to. We also have paid staff that are in there frequently, and we know the facilities well. So someone can call into our intake line and have a discussion with us about what their parent might need, what facility might best fit their parent, or what services might be offered. And we also have our complaint investigation results on our complaint log, so we can go over that with them. There's a lot of information we can talk through on a one-on-one counseling, either through our intake line or walk into our office, or even when we're out at the facility or through our volunteers.